we tried to find quality ingredients, but the availability of things was extremely limited. Even in a city like New York, things that we totally take for granted at this point were extremely difficult, if not impossible to obtain, like even certain fresh herbs. It sort of snowballed very quickly, and I think the beginning of it was a company called, well, a couple of companies, but one in particular called Flying Foods. And they started bringing in ingredients from all over the world. People, farmers, craftspeople realized that, they don't have to come from France, they don't have to come from Europe, they don't have to come from wherever. We can do this here. And that's when it all changed.
We were in the right place at the right time to be able to take advantage of recognizing those chefs' needs. And then it's just been really just a ground swelling of chefs that are demanding to know where the ingredients are coming from, who's growing them, that there's somebody conscientious on this end, taking care of that plant, doing it in the way that the chef would if they were right here.
So that, I think, has been, a real defining thing about the whole evolution of the American chef profession and also American cuisine. And I think the ripple effect of all this isn't just in restaurants. I think it's across American life.